Good morning, Gracie. Good morning. Alright, here's that backfire valve thing. It goes on those Nicky carburetors. I was just watching last night. Chicanic. She's got a good channel. She showed how you can test these things and make sure they're working, because that should cut the fuel flow completely when it's working. Now the one out there keeps leaking fuel internally into the head. So I don't think it's opening and closing and cutting the fuel off. But take a 9-volt battery, take 2 wires, and go right to the prongs on the solenoid. And you can test it to make sure it's opening and closing. See? That one works. So this one definitely works. I'll check the other one. If it doesn't, I'm going to put this one on. Hopefully that'll solve that problem, because I think it's still leaking fuel. I put a bucket, little coffee container under the muffler, and it's filled back up. Not filled, but it's got liquid in there again. It did rain, but I'm pretty sure it's gas, because I can see some still inside the muffler, which is a pain. The root cause is the needle and seat, but if this is working, it should stop it anyway. When you turn the key to the off position, shut off the engine, that's supposed to go up and cut the fuel off. So when the engine's running, the fuel's flowing, but as soon as you shut it off, that cuts the fuel flow, and then you don't have to worry about it leaking gas. That's why these are good to have. So if you cut these, you don't have that anymore. You won't have that advantage anymore. So that's one thing to keep in mind about these things. So hopefully that is the issue on mine, and that'll fix the problem completely, because I don't think I have a brand new needle and seat. And I try to use a different used one, and I don't think it fixed it. So hopefully this does, because again, I had a fuel shutoff valve. You could do it that way, but you shouldn't have to rely on that. That's supposed to be just for end of year to run the fuel out of the carburetor, so it's not sitting in there and going stale because of the corn, the ethanol in the gas, which attracts water and causes it to go bad quicker. So I just wanted to show that real quick on how you can test these. I'm going to put this one in. We'll see if that fixes it. If it's still having the problem, which I think it is.